They say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Hutt Jr. back at you again with another banger. Here we go. Got a bunch of bikes out here, man. Got a Gixxer 1K out here. Check it out, nice and clean, nice and clean. Got a little MT-03, my R6, CBR600RR, CBR600RR. That is an F4i actually. That is a ZX6R. She said, F y'all. That's kind of mean. We got a ZX14 set up for drag right here. Check him out, check him out. Yep. Still got all of his rotors and stuff though, I do believe. Yeah, he's still got all of his rotors and everything. Then we got a CBR600RR, another one. Me and him are gonna race. This is a 2019. So that'll be fun. Nice and clean. He got his wheels clean. Yes, sir. And then I don't even know what that is. Some kind of 650, I guess. Kawasaki. All right, let's get it started, y'all. Let's go and get started with a little cold start. Ooh. Came up, started it for him. He didn't even know I was coming up on him. Let's get it. Do what? 35. That works. What gear? First? That'll work. Me and him are gonna do some runs. Supposedly he's the fastest 600 in legs, but I thought that was my title. I thought that was your title, baby. I did. What are you in gear? I bet she's in gear, ain't she? Nope. Let's go and get her started. You know what it is. Sheesh. We out here acting a fool, bro. We out here acting a fool. Let's get it. All right, let's get it started and hot, baby. Whoa, whoa. Welcome to the west side. Me and him are going to be running them. I think he said 35 is what he's wanting to run them at. Sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Uh-oh. Ooh, that looked bad. Ooh, that looked bad too. You'd think maybe you'd move, but I guess not. Uh-oh, what we got going on here? This ain't no good. Oh man. Somebody getting carried out of their house. That is never, ever good. Nor what you want to see. We'll try and race him in standard first. We out here. That's a Feeder Supply now. I used to work at that city barbecue, so that's kind of a cool fact for y'all. It might not be as well known.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Got him, boys! Got him! That was a pretty good race. That wasn't bad at all.
I'm just glad I stayed behind you guys a little bit this time. That don't happen very often. We're still warming up.
Yeah, same. What's up, baby? 40? Do what? Did I get the camera? Am I blipping? Yeah. Do you not want me to? I can just clutch it. Either or. What are you doing? I do too. That's fine. Woo! Sheesh, got the thumbnail, boy. Got the thumbnail. That's all that matters. Tire got a little wobbly right there.
Let's get ready to rumble!
I didn't even hit 6. That was a good run. And I'm in standard mode. Let's go! Who got the fastest 6 in legs? I do. That's what's up, baby. Yo, this one. No. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I came around in like third or fourth gear. Maybe even second. Oh, we're cool. It's a truck. We're cool. I came around in like second or third. Maybe fourth, something like that. Oh no, which way are we going? Back that way? All right. Race him! What up, baby? Yeah. Boy, I grabbed me a handful of front brake right there. Grabbed me a Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. It's been a fun little ride. Been out just chilling. Like I said, man, I ain't gonna be out for too long.
Hey, you want to race on my bike real quick?
On yours?
I think that was as close as I'm gonna get.
That was a pretty good run. He's wanting me, hey, he wants me and you to run, but me on his. He's wanting me to run you on his ZX6R. Hey, is all this already turned off and Alright. Hey, are we gonna turn around or back going this way? Alright. Is the quick shifter on? Alright, bet. Gotta run that back. Hey! Rerun! Hey, rerun? Alright, bet.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Not bad. Huh? Did you let out or did I come around? I came around? I came around top end. Dude, the lag. Oh my God. The lag for the quick shifter is crazy. Holy crap. Gonna swap back. Gonna switch back. Gonna switch back. Yeah. Ah, shit, fuck it, let's go. There's so much play in that throttle, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at all that before it actually gives it gas. That's crazy to me. I didn't really notice that the first time, I don't think. And the mirrors aren't really all that useful either, for real. They're kind of all over the place, shaking and stuff. bike wheelie's pretty smooth. I can't help but wheelie it. I'm sorry, Bubba. The wheelie's pretty smooth. Look, you see it? It's definitely different than mine. It would take some getting used to. It's got more low end like this come up. Tell you what though, that bike looks good going down the road, don't it? Gosh almighty. Dude, I don't ever get to see that bike rolling down the road. Especially with no graphics on it, dude, that blue looks fire. What? Oh, that's sick. You all wouldn't really notice, but it is. It's pretty laggy, the quick shifter is, but a tune would fix that. You just get a tune and it'll fix that. So, I mean, there is that.
That's it, bro.
Huh?
That was fun.
Hey, hell yeah, good runs.
Your R6 was closer than that, motherfucker.
For real?
I told you, motherfucker. It's just because I'm fat. It's had a whole nother, like lag in it at the end.
Dude, it does, don't it?
Weird, bro.
I know, that thing, it's like... Yeah.
Hey, 10K, I swear. Fucking open.
No, this is like past 10K, bro. We're talking about like probably 12, 14. It really starts to like run away from his bike. It was, I could see it because whenever I caught up with you and passed you the first time, I was like, hold on, we gotta rerun it. This thing might have it in it. Yeah.
When you gave it that bold time.
Yeah, straight up, bro.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.